Read my shirt, you must. I'm drinking nerdy.
Grogu? Huh. Give me the ball.
What's up, my nerds? We're gonna show Grogu how to use the Force. We're gonna start with half an ounce of Sambuca. Sambuca is very thick. This has high sugar content, so it's perfect for the base. Next, we're gonna add Grogu's metal ball. It's a little homemade Boba. Then we're gonna float some vodka with a little bar spoon, just to avoid it moving too much. May the Force be with you, nerds.
No. That is not food.
I don't know about you, but I just love Grogu, and I love how he eats everything. So we're making Grogu's eggs. Start with 1.5 ounces of any white rum. We're using Bacardi. Half an ounce of Blue Curacao. And top with some white cranberry juice. We're gonna add some homemade boba to make the eggs. Grogu's favorite eggs.
Well, Jane, let's see what Disney has in store for Star Wars.
May the Force be with you.
And with you, my nerds.
See you next time.